In the year 2015, my elder sister had a child for a guy, and since then it has been from one issue to the other. The guy well my sister, and the guy are not. Jesus.
It's a issue to another with the guy. Well, my sister.
Okay.
You don't put apostrophe.
Okay. I can't wonder. So well, the guy and my sister and the guy are not married though. The issue is that we have asked the guy to make his intention clear on the child if he wants to be taking care of the child. But he keeps beating around the bush. I think the intention is to take the child away. I need your advice. They ask the guy intention. It don't make una intention clear to una now. They're not the time man waiting to do. You get the point now. Man way want take responsibility. They're not the tell him waiting to do. He know waiting to do before una even tell him to do. Yes. This one self, una they even ask him. Go up, go come down. They on a bar hey, I nearly talk that thing now. But God said, Nedu, shut up your mouth.
Amen.
So, my brother, I don't know what you want me to tell you again. That guy not there ready to take responsibility. He they work, he get money, we go take do the thing. If he be say he want do, but he not get the financial in here to augment the here. He get the point now. Hopefully, what?
I don't know what the smell has.
This one say he has the money. If he get the money, then obviously he no one do anything.
No one do that. Maybe the guy know the entire eye again.
Obviously the guy know the entire eye again. He don't collect what he want collect. He don't get what he want get. Obviously the guy know the entire eye again. Obviously he no one do him. So you just want make the guy talk waiting una don't know already. Deep down you will send this picture, my brother. You know say the guy no one take care of the guy. He might not be there again. You just want make we just tell you. No. We'd always know these things. We just decide to get confirmation. You get the point now. My brother, the writing is on the wall. He is even married to someone else. What's this guy talking about?
Yeah.
I bet you. What you, my brother? So wait, not vex. So you say make the guy make his intention known. Now one of the problem with this, my brother, make I tell you the truth. Your sister. You not ask your sister when they make her own intention known to the guy. When then too they mapok.
Savannah.
You get the point now.
I got it.
They don't do what they do now. Pikin don't come outside now. Now the guy. But she not know say the guy don't marriage.
Wow.
If man don't marry, where you as a girl go the mapok the man, can't carry belle. You know say the man no go marry you now. Except say the man too the man too love you now. He go tell you say, oh, do you know what? I will marry you as second wife.
Maybe.
Or the man can't too love you, and in nothing marry second wife. He go tell you say, okay, do you know what? Stay in this house. I'll get you a house. I'll be taking responsibility. Nedu, I will advise. Nedu, I will advise you. Call. Okay, make I call you now.
Okay, so then go explain
so
better.
that may not be like say we talk blindly. Make I call you now, my brother. Just wait. We they call you now.
We'll call you.
694.
Take it easy. So that we go you go explain better.
You go explain better. But the truth be say, they just get belle for married man. Not be saying a bad thing, no. But at the same time,
leave the girl, go marry another girl.
Leave the girl, go marry. Hello, my brother. Would they hear you now? Talk to us.
Okay, Nedu, good morning.
Good morning, my G.
Okay.
Yes.
The whole genesis of the issue.
Yes.
Started year 2015.
Okay. Okay.
They were in a relationship.
Yes. Dana before he marry, Abi.
Before he got married. Yeah.
Okay.
In a relationship.
Okay.
Then the relationship, we got pregnant. The guy came for introduction. Igbo stuff, you understand?
Yes.
He came for introduction. Then after the introduction, he started giving attitude.
Okay.
Then she was still pregnant. So
wait. She don't get the belle.
Yes.
When in begin, but they never married that time.
They were not married, but she got pregnant in the relationship.
So why she can't keep the belle?
So the guy, she was scared of taking out the pregnancy now. You know, ladies now.
Normal.
Abortion, all those kind of things.
Yes.
So The guy came for introduction. As in, he want to get married to her.
Say he want marry the
then
girl.
after the introduction.
And because of the belle, he want marry the girl. I be love the girl.
That I can't say.
Okay.
I was not in their relationship, so I can't say about their relationship life and all that.
Oh, yeah, continue.
So, the guy changed after the introduction. So she got to labor. During the labor period, she really suffer. I no go lie. During the pregnancy period, she see the manager herself, they go work. So she put to bed by CS. The CS fee. The guy was doing a good job. Oh. This guy, they tell you now, they work for Flower Me.
Okay.
He has a good job. He could not bring money for the hospital, be about 200 and something thousand.
Yes.
That was the charge. My mom was the one that paid then. So they don't born the pikin. After they born the pikin, my uncle came from Port Harcourt, called a meeting with the guy because the guy was still coming after them.
Yes.
So what is your plan about this lady and the baby?
Yes.
Because during the period, the attitude was coming, we were noticing it.
Okay.
So my uncle had to involve, called my parents. What's your plan with this girl?
Yes.
He said he wants the child, but he's not getting married to my sister again. Okay, good. You stated your intention.
Yes.
You want the child, but you don't want the lady.
Yes.
Good. The woman who spoiled, she will still marry another man. Person by the will of God. So that's, by the way, you have stated the intention, but you have to do the needful. Because you said you want the child, you have to take care of the child.
Yes.
Bring upkeep for the child.
Yes.
Feed the child.
Yes.
He's not doing none of that.
Wow.
1 year passed. 2 years passed. Okay, my sister had to take her to mediation center to align to make the intention clear.
Yes.
That place, he took him there. They called him. He said, okay, he wants to take care of the child. Good, you stated this before. Okay, how do you want to take care of the child? The child is in school now. He said that they should change the child's name to his son's name. Agreed, no problem. They changed the boy's name. He was paying the boy's school fee. But then, no doubt, nobody with that kind of thing will happen to king. They go, they smile to you.
Yes.
Because, good, my mom, anytime we come to our place, my mom, their place, my mom, they always harass them, they insult them, all those kind of things.
Yes.
So I had to call my mom, my sisters to order. Let this guy do what he wants to do for this boy. When I don't count you and I won't count and go, they don't state the matter. Say he won't take care of the child. Good, but his plan now, what he's saying now, he wants the child to come and stay with him. How old is the boy? This boy is 7. This boy is let's say 7 years this year. It will be 7 years this year.
Is he small?
He wants him to come and stay with you. It's not possible. Okay, the boy only knows you whenever you come visiting. And whenever you come visiting, you come without telling anybody. Just come unannounced to my mom. You don't call my sister on phone. Okay, I'm coming to your place to see my boy. Is he around? Come. Is he around? Don't come. He will just come unannounced. And if he come, he will bring one bottle of sachet of Coke. This big apple, 1 pack. Let's say they can't see picking. This is why I tell you now, maybe once in 3 months or once in 2 months. That's by the way, okay, now they said you should be giving the child. That's why I tell you now, when I said about 2016, 2017, when they can't go, 2018, when they can't go mediation center, they agreed I will be paying 10,000 for the child upkeep and he will be paying the child's school fee. Yes. Now, as of last year, okay, he keep bringing those things that I was telling you, those mineral, only mineral, and maybe 10 pieces of biscuits. It's funny. It's funny, Abi.
I swear, it's funny.
This person, they tell you, he do well. He's doing he has a good job. He's driving a good car. You go to come see your pikin. You go bring 1 packet of mineral and 10 sachets of biscuits. Now,
where the matter dey now? Right now.
Out of anger, that period, my mom threw all those things out. Yes. So because of that, he refused coming to our house. He refused sending upkeep money for the boy since last year, a year and 6 months till now. Now, I called him now, this morning. Yes. Sonny, for the past 1 year, you have not done anything for your boy. What is your intention now towards the boy? Because you are not taking care of the boy. You can't go to his school and pay school fee. Why you pay school fee for? Do you know if the boy is still going to the school? You can't just wake up one morning and go to the school and pay school fee. You don't know if the boy is there or the boy is not there. Who are you paying? What's your intention towards the boy? If you don't want to take care of your child, come out full and take responsibility. He said we should bring the boy to him. We should bring the boy to his house if you want us to take responsibility of the boy. Now, the whole matter now, for my own analysis now, I feel now say that guy gets intention of taking that boy away. Because me now, I don't call the school, give them strict instruction that if anything should happen to that boy, because the only way you go fit get hands to fit take that boy now for the school, and now the teacher there for the school that they call him.
Yes. So waiting you want make we do now? Tell us what you want make we do.
Now, if it go possible, make them call him, because as I call him this morning, the guy no dey straightforward. The guy no dey straightforward. If you say now if he call him,
What?
if you say now if he even involve now she go explain better. My sister, she will feel explain better.
Okay, you know what's going to happen. Text me your sister number. Text me the guy number to this number right now. Text them. Both of them their number. Now, Moko see how we go take and follow them talk. Thank you, my brother.
Brother.
Thank you.
Okay, they here.
Nah.
You put it in. Pikin don't boss out. You don't want to take care of what you put it in.
Nah.
Medical Pikin.
Another thing also, where I go apologize to this guy and I say, we see the matter from the surface when they send them, so we'd already conclude differently, not knowing other gist with it. So we apologize to you. We're supposed to hear the deep gist before we begin and get our own analysis. But thank God, say the guy said we could call. We don't get this explanation. And so we go call the man, ask him, yeah. Mbo. What's going on? Udo man. Udo Chris. Why are you not taking care of your responsibility? You get the point.
And
you're doing well.
Look what me find.
Good morning. My name is Nanidu. They call you from Waziba FM.
Okay.
How you doing? So we just talked to your brother, finish on top your boy and your boy's issues. That is your baby daddy plus including the whole matter. Now we say make we call you whether you get some things where you supposed to tell us where will make us understand this matter more, so that when we talk to your the father of your boy, we will know how to follow the matter. You get any quarrel, you get any issue we not to get we make the matter this way.
Good morning.
Good morning, my sister.
I ain't no getting issue actually with the dates. So I took him. I told him about dates. When you come tell me say no wahala, I didn't shut. So as time goes on, he come tell me say now go come out the belle. I come tell her say I never do one before. Because say he get where go carry me go. That's how I know if he go. That's how they fear. I hear say the person do am. Is that the person die or we go lose a womb or anything?
Yes.
So on the process, as I say, you don't want the belly.
Yes.
I can't try to drink something. I nearly died there. But I thank God the belly will come out.
Okay.
So you can come do introduction.
And in come do the introduction now. Yes. Now, in this introduction when he come do, in Duam because of saying in truly love you to marry you, I be in Duam because of the belly when not come out.
I don't even know. I don't know. All I know is that he came to do introduction. You
force him to come do the introduction?
I don't force him.
We not discuss him before in just come do the introduction.
We did.
Eh?
You say what?
We not discuss him before he come do the introduction.
Yes. Income house. Come with my papa and my mama. Tell us 9 days responsible for the belly I get. You understand? So my mom becomes okay. The question is okay. What is the next step?
Then after you they try come out and way you not come out, so you can't go tell your parents.
No, don't me tell my parents. I was not bold enough to say because I was afraid. So now him can't use the mouth tell them.
Okay.
So when you can't tell them, say I get belly for her. So the question is okay. What is the next step? He say go carry people then come.
Yes.
Come do the necessary thing.
Yes.
So after everything, he came, he drew introduction and everything. And man who follow and come, only one of the uncle and then friend.
You sure say na your uncle self?
I don't know. It's one of the, within their last born, 9 come.
Okay.
Then. So my people come. They call ask some of him. And my man say Manuel. The father is late, actually. The father is late. So after everything, they did introduction. You can't send money so that they go collect lists for village.
Yes.
So they can't send the money there for village when they take bring the lists come. Then after everything, he started behaving as if I'm forcing him to get married to me. Let me come to your house, he will say no. Let me do this, he will say no. That he has not gotten married to me, that I should stay in my father's house, all that, blah, blah, blah.
Okay.
Send money for me to go to antenatal is a problem. He only send money when I want to go and register. After then, whether they go antenatal, he don't know about it.
Okay.
Now me, they do everything. By then I was working.
Yeah.
Now they do everything. They go antenatal. Then, as God may have it, I born. I no born normal. I do operation.
Yeah.
Because they say thinking and everything. See, my BP is high. I get a cancer or so. There is you get one maybe they call the thing.
Something.
So I know if we push. If I push, I'll get conversion. Might lead to my death.
And it not go good, yeah.
So they can't do the operation. When I do the operation, they call them incoming sign. He pay 70,000 for the operation. Okay. After that money we pay, because the charge was pay 50 then. After that 70,000 we pay, you don't pay another money again. Now my mom be nice settle the bill and me.
The remaining 280,000.
Yes, they asked some money. They did not as in respond. They say no get money again. So we run around find the money pay. I come out for hospital. Then for hospital why day? I never even heal. I never ever come out for hospital. Don't tell me say, man, no carry the pikin come in house. I still pipes in my body. I never even come out for hospital. Man, no carry pikin come in house. See my pikin go my parents' house. As everything happened, he say because my money, he say make I carry my pikin come my house. Mom, you come hospital that day. I want the mom say sweating, so I need to talk. I'm saying no problem. Somebody go house. So we come house. After 2 weeks, I started to bleed. Serious bleeding. Then I go back to the hospital. They treat me. Even the hospital where I go, money for the to take care of me, you know, bring come. You know, bring the money come for the hospital. I come back. To come take care of my pikin, even to come give the pikin name. When say you carry your people come, you carry only one snap come, only himself. Now my partner don't say for their village, only you need to come give pikin name.
But una don't already know say he no want the pikin, he no want do anything. Una see the okay, continue, Sha. Continue.
Say he no want the. He never thought say no want the pikin. He never thought say no.
But he don't already talk him now. Now no just hear him.
The sign don't clear.
The sign was clear. It was there from day one. From day one, the sign is there. But it's okay. Continue. Okay, you know what's going to happen there? Just give us more time. Make we rush go break. Once we come back, we'll call you back. Okay.
Okay.
The signs don't there from onset.
So that's what I talk from before you call her. You see, I tell you, say something. Either you don't want the pikin.
You know,
from
want
beginning.
The two of them.
You don't want the two of them.
You don't want the two of them.
You don't want the two of them.
So why you can't rush? Can't go do introduction? Who send
you
them?
don't want two of them
Just
because the
to
truth
help
is
her.
exactly.
Just to help her so the family no pursue her. Now wetin you do? You know wetin you do. You don't want her. You don't want the pikin.
Kai.
If you take that boy, you know take care of the boy. So
Who must to the hospital? Say me no carry the pikin come your ass.
We go call back. This lady. We don't talk for here.
Internally.
You know, internally we don't reason matter. You know, Plenty things they on top of this matter. But may we still call the lady back and we go follow her talk. And then we'll go know how we go take push go forward on top this matter. Hello, my sister.
Sir?
Oh yeah, so continue. So where the matter day now?
What they really happen now, you see, for like a year and now, they send me because I can't go woman rights actually.
Now, you get what I want to talk. Let make me ask you that question. Right now, as me and you they talk today now, where the matter day?
Okay, the matter they say they send the money they send for me every month.
Now listen to me. Make I tell you my mind.
Okay, sir.
I not go lie give you.
Okay.
That guy might not day from day one. I not go lie give you. You self know say not true.
Yes.
So you not go force person where it might not day. And make I tell you something. If that guy truly love you and wanted to keep you and wanted to do everything, in the first place, he not go tell you may you go do abortion.
Yes.
As he don't first tell you, say go do abortion, that was the red flag. You suppose don't know from day one. Say this guy not carry me for mind. This guy no go carry the pikin for mind. He no go carry anybody for mind. Now what you suppose don't carry for mind, But my problem is say you see him, but you choose not to see him. You not see waiting there in front of you. You see waiting you want see. Even till right now, self, you still not agree see waiting there for front of you. You still want see waiting you want see. Waiting there in front of you now say this guy not signed. He don't want to do anything with you or anybody. But una still they find one way or the other to see waiting you want see and to force them to see waiting you want see.
Oga, he's not saying it.
He no need to.
He no need to talk him.
Yeah.
He no need to talk him. He no need to talk him. See, let me be honest with you. I go call him. I go see call him for phone. No. But from us here, we stand corrected. We go see open phone line, make everybody call you, tell you what in them believe on top of the matter. But for personally and us where they here, bone the guy, bone the guy, bone that guy. Face your pikin. If not, he has not been. He not there from day one. Cut him off totally. Bone the guy. Wanna take your and as the pikin dey so now, is a bit the answer in name. Change the name to your own family name.
Simple.
Okay, sir. Do you know what I want to say now? Because tomorrow he might come and
See,
say
this
he has
is
a
what
son.
He might not
This
to
is what
come
people should
anywhere.
Stop doing. What
Because the reason why I'm saying
My
because
sister, now today we dey forget now this thing where you talk so now major problem we don't keep people where then dey. It don't keep a lot of people. What of tomorrow? Now today we did. Now in the now. So wait, not vex. So nigga wanna don't be angry. For 7 years, you not think of tomorrow. Not think of tomorrow. Now you dey think of tomorrow. My sister, you reason am now. You need person to tell you the whole truth. Oh.
Actually, nobody is forcing him to take care of my baby. We just want him to say his mind.
He don't tell you, hey, Chineke, marry me.
Shebi they say
Now the same to my
action,
brother
action
talking.
speaks louder than
Shebi
words.
then tell you say action speaks louder than words.
And what? Yes, it's true.
You never they see the action. You know they see the writing for the wall. You know they see the writing for the wall. See, I'm not tell from the day one where the belle enter.
Exactly.
From that first day we in, don't tell you may you go do abortion. Now that place you go don't know say this guy not my own. That time now if you don't tell yourself, oh yeah, this pikin na me go carry my pikin myself, na me go born my pikin myself. Oga, con they go. Or however you decide to run the package, now you go decide them. Because me I not support abortion. You understand? But however you want support, I run the waka yourself. Now you go decide them. But from that day, now you supposed don't know say waiting be relationship, waiting be love. Love na person putting in you another person in front of before himself. He not put himself. He not put you before himself. In they put himself. In fact, from day one till now, he not put you himself. Not only in one in they think of. He not send you.
Yes, it's true.
If in they put you before himself, my sister, he not go there wicked enough to come meet you for hospital a day after you don't do CS. When you still get injury for body, tell you say make you no carry pikin come house. Make could they see truth, make could they talk am. Women women, una they know this whole thing. They say una they intuitive for again, una they know, but una lie. Ha!
Another seller.
So my sister, my own personal advice, personally, I go say make you bone that guy totally.
Okay.
Face your pikin life, hustle, train them to the best. Not this your story is there everywhere. Not be the first time this kind of thing they happen. In fact, one lady send us message here saying now. You understand? So if you want keep as the pikin dey so now. If you want keep the pikin name, fine. If you want change am, fine. However you want to do it. You dey hear me so now? Shebi dem say the only time where pikin go answer papa name now when
in
papa pay bride price.
Yeah, no.
Yes.
Exactly. Going by the tradition. But if you no want go by tradition, you want still live and make it answer papa name, no problem. Right now, for you, the only thing you go to think of now your pikin. Because that guy not ready for anything. I stand corrected though. I go open phone line now, make people advise you small. Then I go call the guy if need be to take him from there. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you very
Done.
much. I don't talk my own.
now,
No.
as an elder. Yeah, you're on point now.
No, the one where they talk say
me no con reporting no so. Now they make
Hey,
everybody.
you get the one when he
like
talk
this,
say
nah.
where he stands now, his point of standing. Yeah, the guy don't make him point
Now
of
fear,
standing.
now
Yes.
the guy don't make him talk. He don't.
Now they do na the fear of making no con rip where you know so.
Rip.
Now in the cause
How
of
you
this
go
ones.
take rip where you
Like
know?
Now,
when
maybe
the
if they
pikin
give
dey
an
make
opportunity
money,
to
wey no
rip.
con chop wetin you know.
Man, leave
spend
all those
for.
I still
things.
say they say law of karma still they exist.
You know,
How
say,
you want take rip where you know so?
The pikin
Good
know.
morning, Oganedu. Stop all this nonsense. Stop all this thing you are saying and hear from the man himself. Don't jump into conclusion. Okay. My judge.
we also don't call the man
Do you hear me say I talk say I no go call the man?
into conclusion.
Some people now just come.
So,
You get credit if you say if you just talk
so
to me.
for
anyhow.
man we go hospital, a day after woman when say in love do CS, he say don't bring the pikin to the house. That person they responsible.
You pay 70.
He gets sense of belonging. I'm gonna call the guy.
No. Hello, my brother Sonny. I greet you. Good morning.
Yeah,
My name na Nedu. I dey call you from Wazobia FM.
yeah, I've been listening to you.
Yeah.
Can I
So,
say,
go ahead.
yeah, all this while you've been castigating me because you heard from one side, you don't hear from the other side.
Now make us they call you. Hold on, Sonny, hold on. Sonny, hold on. Sonny, hold on. So you go hear me?
Don't know me.
You go hear me? You go hear me? Abi you not go hear me? Hello? You dey hear me?
I'm one of your big fan. But for you
Baba,
saying,
listen to me. I go cut this call. You know say na you be one call first. Shebi you know say na you be one call
I
first.
know
So you not
you
pick.
don't pick call.
I'm listening.
Twice now we call you first because we want hear from you first of all.
Why?
Okay, oh yeah, Sonny, now listen to me. Baba, calm down, listen to me now. You dey talk like woman. Listen to me. Now, this thing where you don't hear everything now.
Yes.
One question I go ask you before I allow you talk further. Truth dey for inside everything where this lady talk and him brother.
No single truth in those things is supposed to said.
Now, wetin be the thing wey be lie inside all the matter? Make I hear you first of all.
Said I came to the hospital after she has given birth. Abi?
Yeah.
Is that what?
Yeah, say you tell am to say make you not bring the pikin. Make you not bring the pikin come in house, your own house. Make you carry am go. Make she carry am go her house. True or false?
Just ask a question. She told you that I came to the hospital after she has given
After
birth.
she done born, yes.
Then how did I pay the money? They
You
said
say you
I-
pay 70,000. Say na the bill na 350k. You pay
how did I pay
70,000.
the money? I was not in the hospital that day. For crying out loud. How did I pay
No,
that
okay, you know if you just dey talk another thing. You know another thing you dey talk so now.
money?
You tell her that thing or not?
I did not.
Okay, you pay 70,000 out of the 350,000, Abi.
Okay, it was not 350,000. It was not 350,000.
How much you pay?
I pay
How much you pay?
when I was in the hospital. They said she was going for CS. That I should pay a deposit of 70,000, which I did. When she left the hospital, I think it was a balance of 100,000. The total one is 100,000.
How much you pay? How much you pay? Now be the question why they ask you. How much you pay?
Paid 70 first.
Okay,
Then
good.
I later, when she left the hospital,
You later pay another amount of money.
yes, I paid.
Okay. Sonny, another question I go ask before I come out from studio now. You dey hear me?
Yeah.
You don't dey take care of your son since since last year. For the past 1 year, where they say you know they take care of him. In a true say you know they take care of your son for the past 1 year. Yes or no?
No.
Eh?
No, I've been taking care of that guy. I have been taking care of him.
You dey take care of that guy?
No.
Baba, you know say I get for my front. I get information from the lady in question. I get information from the brother. I get information from now. So you dey tell me now say you dey take care of the boy. They send upkeep. They send school fees and everything for the past 1 year.
Sorry, I don't know I don't know what they tell you about school the boy they go.
Now question I they ask you. They take care of the pay school fees and you they do upkeep for the past 1 month.
They pay school fees, but for the past 1 year I stopped paying upkeep because of something happened.
Why you not pay upkeep for your pikin for the past 1 year?
Because something happened. Let me tell you what happened. Make I tell you what happened.
What happened?
Okay, that was me last week. I go there, I go visit the boy. So I bought some things, drinks.
They say you carry drink and biscuits.
Biscuit. And before I go there, I don't go to the boy's school. The boy asked the boy what he wants. He didn't say he wants noodles. So noodles was in my car. So I carried this thing. So as I go, I saw the mom and the dad. So I greeted. Normally the mom made the answer, and that's the grandma to my boy. Made the answer my greeting. So I brought these drinks out. In pack, 2-pack. I drop them. So as I go outside.
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Let's see, my credit almost finished.
I think they were finishing talk.
Sonny, you know what's going to happen there? Time not even.
More push her internally.
More. Sonny, we'll go call you back after the show. I'll call you back after the show. But.
In talk not the.
Your talk not straight.
No,
you know, every information we need. Yes, we collect from two sides. We collect gist from two sides so that I'm not gonna be like say only one side will hear. Every details we need for this matter. If you know what you go do for me, Sonny. The number what I take call you. Send me WhatsApp. Then I will call you. Immediately after I come off for inside the studio. I'll call you for WhatsApp after I come off for inside the studio. Good morning, Nagano. Please let the lady take care of herself and her baby. The same thing happened to me about 9 years ago. The guy rejected the pregnancy, saying he wasn't ready to be a dad, and that the people he's not ready to be distracted from his education. But later he booked me for abortion at 7 months without my permission. With an unknown lady at Ibadan. My brother, I ran for my life and he threatened to cut ties with me, which he did. I gave birth to my daughter and she answered my dad's name. Now I'm married to someone else with my daughter. My daughter is 8 years old, plus she is bearing my husband's name now. Now the guy has been looking for how to get back to my daughter's life, saying all sort of rubbish about how they said his life will not have meaning until he reconciles with me and my daughter. But all that's than a cock and bull story. As a matter of fact, my husband and my family are prepared for himself. No reasonable man would reject a pregnancy. He's responsible for the lady. The lady should move on with her life, because there is nothing that guy will say now that will justify him not taking responsibility for the child they both brought into this world. It's different if he's trying his best and things are not working out for him. I'm Becky from Ikorodu.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmat.